Ya, siaran ulang duel penuh gengsi antara dua jagoan tanah Britania. Sang juara bertahan, Troy Williamson, petinju tangguh dengan kekuatan luar biasa dengan mental baja, melawan Joshua Pretty Boy atau Kelly, petinju dengan teknik dan kecepatan tangan yang memukau. Tanggal 2 Desember 2022 yang dipertaruhkan Brit Super Welterweight title. Keduanya datang dengan misi berbeda. Williamson ingin mempertahankan tahtanya, sementara Kelly ingin membuktikan bahwa gaya dan IQ tinju bisa mengalahkan kekuatan mental. Di ronde pertama, Kelly langsung menunjukkan kelasnya, kaki cepat, jab akurat, dan refleksi luar biasa. Williamson mencoba menekan, tapi Kelly sudah membaca semua pergerakan. Sebuah counter kanan Kelly mendaratkan bersih, membuat Wilson sedikit goyah.
Just change the level. Gibson, who is a notoriously slow starter. He can still come through the middle like he did just then for Kelly. He just got hurt there with a little bit of fast left hook there, but just before that. He just punch when he doesn't want to. Times so he can throw from angles that really shouldn't be. Again, Barry. Very slick, isn't he? Just a reminder, Kelly is not if you can't see the punches coming because of Kelly utterly dominant here, and he's had with don't see you can be in trouble. First defense against Mason Cartwright, Kelly down here, but this will be where William rhythm. It's of Josh Kelly. Clever, they're making him work. Maybe Williamson. He's not quite got it yet though, is he? He's making, but just not quick enough with his feet, and they're just so Josh Kelly. Nice and relaxed and not panicked. Second round.
Di ronde kedua, Wilson mulai maju dengan tekanan lebih keras, tapi Kelly semakin nyaman, bergerak ke samping, memukul dan keluar dari jarak dengan elegan. Hook kiri Kelly mengenai rahang lawan dengan bersih. Williamson terus maju, tapi serangannya belum efektif.
Kelly with that relaxed style. Williamson's taking it natural ways of doing it. That's better though. Their man is too good. Believe he's levels up from Josh Kelly, and we've seen it. The body, right hand from Kelly. What a forward. Williamson's hands up. Well, what a start there from Josh. Big smile on the. Doesn't want to get overconfident here. Josh Kelly just to move himself out of danger. Slow on his feet, and Kelly's peppering those combinations. Kelly, Williamson here just wants to see out the round. I don't know. Stirring start. George Groves has joined us in. He's a guy with bad head clear. He got caught a few times. Williamson has. If you can get beyond the back of those on the 10 behind it, quick. Williamson, who will keep coming. Caught on the way in and taking the heavy shots. The gas a little bit. The round very aware of that after what happened against David. And there's such confident punches to throw in the first round in a major fight like this. But what a start there from Josh Kelly. Look at that, lovely, just slipped the Jim Kelly.
Ronde ketiga, Kelly bermain seperti penari. Ia memancing serangan Williamson dan membalas dengan kombinasi cepat, kanan lurus lalu kiri ke badan. Williamson mulai frustasi karena tak bisa menempel Kelly.
Josh Kelly at the start of this subplot that we always knew would be the case. Keep going up and down, side to side with that song in this fight. In round 6, round 7, he stays with us. Watching this fight, and he said, I know how good. For me, he needs to back him up with a little bit more head movement. No, he really did use Pocket to get Kelly up his rhythm. Decent friends as well, but there's after because you know the guy. Don't go aiming for the head all the time. Like you might aim for the. Kelly fighting now with both hands down. After he landed that check left hook, there was a little. The most confident of my friends, guys. Fraction too slow. Right, so relaxed as well. Therefore, you can't attack. For the. Kelly's tank is running low. What he has to do. Just can it be? Well, that just might be the success he needs now. Now going. Williamson comes forward. Training to land with a clean shot. He hasn't been able to find the distance.
Ronde keempat, Williamson mencoba mengubah strategi menekan lewat body shot, tapi Kelly menutup ruang dengan sangat baik. Di pertengahan ronde, Kelly mendaratkan kombinasi 3 pukulan yang mengguncang kepala Williamson. Williamson bertahan, tapi Kelly terus menambah poin dengan efisien.
Kelly's face now starting to fight.
He's full of confidence, isn't he? I know a lot of people feel the same way. I might get some success later on, but the uppercut there from Kelly.
He's just too sharp at the moment, Josh.
Will the tank start to drain? Will the pressure start to confidence? These two, of course, know each other well. Chin is so clear to us here at ringside. For that right hook to the head. He's doing well here, Kelly, because when he getting close to
How are you?
And that's what you're right, it's the single jab. You got a double
This round.
There's a right hand from Williamson. On there, George. Williamson landed his jab clean there as Kelly was just trying to work away. Looks on in disdain. To be fair. To this third round from him.
Ronde kelima, Kelly kini semakin percaya diri. Ia mulai bermain lebih terbuka, kadang menurunkan tangan menantang Williamson. Williamson mencoba membalas dengan overhead kanan keras, tapi meleset. Kelly justru membalas dengan counter kiri cepat geraham.
Take a shot, full flush from the chin.
Heavy favourite for that fight, but that's the level. See, when Kelly throws that backhand, that right hand, and show the pathway to the rest of his career, and maybe that with a good movement. The hook now, he's got to keep the pressure on. Keeps all coming forward.
The uppercut.
The body doesn't go anywhere, the head just moves.
To his opponent, but as soon as Williamson still in that confidence,
Has come through adversity in his of those though. They were a little bit too wide there for Kelly.
and a heavy-handed shot follows.
Now they've caught, I thought at some point you would be able to take over. But yes, Williamson on here. Wants him to. It's a great work there from Kelly up, but again, Josh Kelly. Really trying to be aggressive. The guy's still punching as he's going. Coming too high up and getting caught.
Ronde ke-6, Williamson tidak menyerah. Ia berusaha menutup jarak dan bertukar pukulan di dalam. Namun Kelly tetap disiplin. Gerak kakinya seperti magnet, mendekat, memukul lalu menjauh lagi. Hook kanan Kelly kembali masuk dan wajah Williamson mulai memerah.
When he starts to fade, as he starts to tire.
Kelly squares up and looks to Essian, and he's always said that when he returns, left hook and a right hand and the legs of Williamson again, and Kelly thinks this might be that. Left hook from Williamson trying to fire back. You've got to give him his credit there because he's instant.
Huge punches there landing from Kelly.
We're seeing here tonight. Yeah, and that was just from Williamson. Kelly may be wary of his frustration. Williamson using the forehand. Williamson's been hurt before, but he's recovered before. Williamson isn't seeing half of these punches coming. He's solid on his legs again. Yeah, so write him off at your peril. And that's the gap through the middle of the guard. I think that's just a tall mission. Speed here, Kelly. Kelly. And he can punch while his feet are still moving as well. Then Williamson forward again, Kelly. That's just a kick. Sharp jab.
Flush on Williamson's jaw.
Williamson is great action.
Yeah. Brave, strong man. But for me,
Ronde ke-7, Kelly tampil luar biasa. Ia kini sepenuhnya mengontrol tempo. Setiap kali Williamson maju, Kelly membaca dengan men-counter dengan presisi.
Kelly needs to get out of that. Good jab there from chest to chest. Doesn't let you work. I say what he does so well, Kelly, whether he misses knockout wins from Troy Williamson, who does. And that's what's so impressive on Kelly, that he checked
the fight, Barry. If the head moves quickly,
you on there from Kelly, and then that hand speed again would do something really special.
Every shot, which is
going to need
sort of style. But it does.
Feet were more impressive than the punch, weren't they, from Kelly?
Which just allows him to dig his feet in.
I understand why though, Kelly, because if he missed...
Vincent trying to unlock a major success here. To try and start nothing more than that. Is really having its effect now.
Oh, it's a lovely left hook. Just supply.
Kelly's been too sharp and countered him. Here.
And he's been fantastic, John.
No, really.
He's trying to get the crowd going. And he's...
Ronde ke-8, Williamson berusaha keras untuk menekan Kelly ke tali ring, tapi Kelly selalu berhasil keluar. Gerakan tubuhnya membuat Williamson sering memukul angin. Kelly bahkan mulai bermain-main, memancing serangan lalu menghukum dengan pukulan bersih ke kepala.
He's doubling it up now. Yeah, again, could he judge him as a distance? That's a set movement.
The feet got him out of any trouble.
But I would let first come up, then go back down right.
His movement almost instantaneously after. So.
Williamson landed a good right hand there.
That's the entire fight. He hasn't really tried some for me.
Just creates that distance there, just to make it fall short.
There. As he starts to unload again, he hurt him with it. That everyone said about making the... Still looks a bit unsteady on his feet here, Williamson.
Our combinations every time he makes a mistake. He's looking to hold on there, Williamson. He took a up, and when you miss, it tires you out.
There's a big right hand from Kelly as well, and there's the...
Yeah, short range punches.
And then when Kelly tries, Williamson tries to go forward, he whacks.
That's all I ever wanted, Dave. That was enough for me.
Ronde ke-9, Kelly sedikit menurunkan tempo, menjaga stamina. Williamson mencoba menyerang ke badan, tapi tidak cukup kuat menggoyahkan Kelly. Kelly tetap memimpin lewat jab dan kontrol jarak.
Throws that left hook, but then he changes direction with his feet. The feet. That's for a reason.
Right hand there.
Just wait a half a second too long, let his hands go.
Trying to find the answers here.
Quite up to matching Josh Kelly's feet.
And Williamson.
It was a good right hand, that ball.
Williamson comes into Josh Kelly's punching range. Kelly either slips and slides and punches off of it, or they get touched.
What he's doing so well, Kelly, he's taking...
Oh, the blood coming down from that cut.
The fingers, if he turned his hand over a little bit for that...
Little trick shot went in there, Barry. Did you see that one? If it was.
It's now for Williamson. He's just been
I think Williamson thinks he might...
closing seconds of this penultimate round, and it's
Much safer with his hook. You can see the frustration coming in for Williams
here, but Kelly's still having so much success.
Dance around, get more space between you. The other one moving around.
Ronde ke-10, Williamson mulai terlihat lelah, sementara Kelly masih ringan di kaki. Kelly terus menekan dengan kombinasi 2-3 pukulan, lalu bergerak keluar dominasi total.
Sharp from Kelly again. It's the times that he needs to be careful. He's in from this fight. It's that uppercut and the left hook.
Again there, Williamson, he got himself...
pressure on to try and, suck.
Beat this a little bit faster, can't make him...
He hasn't unraveled here. Another short check.
We either a check left or a check right hook.
Cut the ring off, you can be intelligent with your footwork.
Really good performance from Josh Kelly.
May have been caused by a clash of heads, I think, but it might...
Tim and Williamson, he can rest a little bit again. Just when Williamson was getting a little bit...
There's that uppercut again, followed by the left uppercut that he was looking for.
In the solar plexus, right on the chest. Somewhere low.
I never
It's not,
put
but...
that intent with that.
Or jab, no, and just...
Yeah, the uppercut's a risky shot here, hurt him, but actually he walked off almost in frustration and fought his fight.
Well, you got to blame Josh Kelly for that. He went right, hasn't he? To go for the
Ronde ke-11, Williamson tahu ia butuh KO untuk menang, tapi Kelly tidak memberinya peluang. Kelly bermain cerdas, menjaga jarak, memanfaatkan jab dan menutup setiap celah. Williamson menekan, tapi selalu dipatahkan dengan pukulan balik cepat.
victory. But instead of that,
Kelly rushes work. That's a good right.
Cheeseman found out initially, and
But that would be not for the one to try it.
You know,
rip it away from this fella, but that's what Kelly...
Stop to the left.
he's been able to have his own way.
Kelly again with a huge left hook.
Again there from Kelly.
Rounds after this one. There's no signs at all of Kelly wilting.
Puts him on the ropes. Just won't let his hands go.
Just so sharp. Fraction too slow tonight, Williamson.
Doubling up the jab to close the distance. He needs the left hook to the body. Kelly when he's
The uppercut though in response from Kelly. He knows it's got to be special now. Let's listen in to the Williamson.
Ronde ke-12, ronde terakhir Kelly menunjukkan kontrol penuh. Williamson tetap berusaha maju, tapi Kelly sudah tak terkejar.
Would have dazzled, but would have emptied.
So slowing the feet down, like Adam Booth says.
here. And let's not forget about the pressure, maybe imagination, possibly, but the commitment to be a fighter. But he's sort of his will to want to fight. All those things.
Those quicksilver feet.
Again, he changed when he's got it so spot on here, Josh Kelly.
To work hard tonight, but at the same time, mentally,
There's been pressure on him for every minute.
Came forward. Throw of the die here from Troy Williamson. Hasn't had enough success. Again though, Willsy's got to stop Kelly. This huge local, and Kelly is 40 seconds.
Hold him on Kelly. We face time Williamson, confidence, hands down, making Williamson miss.
The face of Channel 5 boxing that he...
The arrogance, may I say, that just drop your hands.
Stunningly, he's going to be British champion.
And we knew that was going to be the case.
Hasil akhir, pemenang Josh Kelly menang, unanimous decision, angka mutlak. Dominasi luar biasa dari Josh Kelly, pertahanan solid, gerak cepat dan akurasi tinggi. Ia membungkam semua kritikan dan merebut sabuk bris super welterweight dan meyakinkan. Sementara Williamson, pertarung sejati meski kalah, dia tidak pernah mundur. Tulis pendapat kalian di kolom komentar tentang pertarungan ini dan jangan lupa like, subscribe, serta aktifkan loncengnya biar nggak ketinggalan ulasan laga besar lainnya.